Welding aluminum plate. This is what you'd call a practice session, right?
Yeah. Can I
Okay.
bring it closer to you, Tim?
If you could.
Yeah, it will.
It's getting caught on the
Okay.
sawhorse
You
a
have
little
to back
bit.
up a little bit. So
Yes.
you can look closer.
I'll move around this way, and
How's that, Tim?
I'm just focused on the fire. I'm thinking of Jim Morrison right now, believe it or not. Come on, baby, light my fire. I carry my camera everywhere, even into altered dimensions. The dimension of sight and sound. That's pretty. Looks like a dancing Mexican gal. Down in the
A little closer. There you go, right there. Here, see, it's getting smoky color, and then it's going to melt.
I see it melting on one side, the far side.
Good.
That's a very special art because you don't want to be too hot, and you got to get a certain temperature and make sure both sides melt together.
Correct.
See, I know the basics.
They melt that one in.
And what is the melting point of a quarter? Do you know that? Melting temperature?
No idea.
But it's probably not as hot as
I don't
this.
think a quarter is made of aluminum.
Yeah, and that's what I was intimating, that a quarter is made out of something and a little silver mixed in.
You got a quarter, I'll melt it. Melt that right in.
Is that popping sound, is that a good thing?
The little that sound, it's going through the material. It'll be fine. And glue. It's nothing. Let it melt in there. Then you can add more.
Oh, I see. How great is that? Beautiful. That almost
Base
looks.
material first.
That almost looks like the exhaust of a rocket taking off. So the fuel is oxygen and hydrogen, correct?
Fuel is hydrogen. The oxygen
Hydrogen.
helps the burn.
Right.
Hydrogen does not burn. Ah, you see how fast that goes?
Yeah, this little tip is.
It's tricky, yeah? It's a little different, isn't it? And you get more penetration now than you did in the first half. Stop before it burns the edge.